Coming for SGLF and first time in Vung Tau? Look, don't just survive on the hotel buffet. Here are 10 spots under 10 minutes away that you actually need to try. First, Bachata 14. You have short lunch breaks during workshops, right? This place is fast, crunchy, and won't give you a food coma. Caffeine Emergency, Salted Coffee Chulong. It's the trendiest coffee in Vietnam right now. Salty, sweet, and wakes you up instantly. For that 3 a.m. hunger after the social, you need to stock up at Golden Bakery. The sponge cake is dangerous. Buy 2 boxes. Planning a big team dinner? It has to be Gang Hao. The ocean view is insane. It's a bit further, but for a group, it's the best spot in town. Want the real local vibe? Ok Tu Yen. Plastic chairs, cheap beer, and mountains of snails. It's loud, messy, and fun. Too lazy to walk in heels? Go to La Serena. It's literally next door at the Imperial. Great seafood, fancy vibes, zero walking. Need AC and protein? Manhwa Hot Pot. It's all-you-can-eat beef in a cool, air-conditioned mall. Perfect for recovering your energy. You can't leave Vung Tau without trying this. Hong Min Stingray Hot Pot. The broth is spicy and sour. It just hits different. Partied too hard last night? Bun Bo Hue 1988. 1 bowl of this spicy beef soup is the ultimate hangover cure. Trust me. Finally, Tuet Mai. If you want to eat but stay light for dancing, come here. The garden is beautiful and the rice cakes are super light. Eat well, dance hard, save this video for the festival so you don't starve.